Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, in this period, we are going to record our logical thinking midterm semester 2 exam review. Please pay attention and let's start. Question number 1, we are solving a Sudoku 9 by 9. Who can tell me, what do you know about a Sudoku 9 by 9? What should we do?
We start at the boxes.
What do we have in this Sudoku? We have
Row and column.
blocks of 3 by 3. We have rows and okay. Which numbers should we use here? From 1 to 9. No number should be repeated in a block or a row or a column. Okay, now we start. Look at the first box. Dana, tell me, what is this box missing? The first one.
1,
Yes.
2,
We have 3, 4.
5.
Yes, we have 6, 7, 9. Okay. Now, in the first line, okay, sorry, in the first box, where is 1 placed? Can we place it in the first line? Yes. In the second, it cannot be placed, okay? Nor in the second column, so it's replaced under 8, we replace 1. Now 2. In the first line, can we replace 2? In the second line, in the third line, between 4 and 1, we write 2. Now 5. Can we replace 5 in the second line? So in the first line, between 6 and 3, we place 5. 7, 2 choices. 9, 2 choices. Now we start with the second box, Ali. What is the second box missing? 3, 6, 8. Okay. Yes, Ali. Can we replace 3 in the first line? Second, yes. Third, yes. So it has 2 choices. Now 6. Can we replace it in the first line? Second, third, yes. Between 9 and 7. So we write 6. Now 3 cannot be replaced in the first line. So it's between
1 and 5.
we write 3. In the first line, we write 8. Now we move to the next box. Yes, Badia, what is it missing?
Missing 1,
Yes.
3, 4,
Yes. 5. Do we have 5? No. 5. We have 6, 7, 8. It's missing 9. We have 8, Badia. It's missing 9. Okay. In the first line, 1 can be placed in 2 places. In the second line, it cannot be placed. In the third line, it cannot be placed. So how many choices? 2. We leave it. 3. Can we replace it in the first line? In the second? In the third, it have? We leave it. 4. In the first line? No. In the first column,
No.
how many choices? 1. Between?
6 and 2.
So we write 4. Okay. Now 5. Can we place it in the first line?
No, not the second.
Nor the second, nor the third. In
Below
the
the 6.
yes, below the 6 we write 5. Now 9 has?
2 choices.
We leave it. Okay. Now 1 also has 2 choices. We move to the next box. What is the next box in a loud voice? What is it missing? Yes. We have 4, 5, 6. We have 8, so it's missing 9. 1, can we place it in the third line? Second line? How many choices? We leave it. Now 2, can we place it in the first line? In the last column, it's placed under? We write 2. 3, I think it has many choices. Yes. 7, it has 2 choices. 9, many choices. Now in the next box, yes, Hassan, what is it missing? And 9. 1 has many choices. 2 choices, we leave it. 3, 4, 2 choices. 6,
Under
One choice under 7 we write 6. Now 9, it cannot be placed in the first line nor the last line, so it's between 6 and 7 we write 9. Okay, now we move to the next box. What is it missing? Yes, Selena.
1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3, 4, 7,
And 8. Now 1. How many choices does 1 have? 2 choices. 2,
1 choice.
which is above 5 we write 2. Yes. 3. Many choices. 4, 7, 8, 'It has 2 choices, so we leave it. Now the box in the middle, Dana, what is it missing? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. 3 has many choices. 4, it cannot be placed in the second line, not the third, so it's beside 5, we write 4. 7, 8, 2 choices, and 9, it is placed under 1, we write 9. Okay, now 8, now let's 8 is between 6 and 9, so here we have 8. Now 3 is under 4 and 7 is between 3 and 1. We move to the next box. Okay, Ali, what is the next box missing?
1,
Huh? 3. Yes. Okay. 1, which is under 8, we place 1. 3, 2 choices. 4, under 2 we write 4. 6, no, 1 choice. Between 5 and 2 we write 6. Now 7, between 1 and 9. So 3 is between 8 and 4. Now the next box, yes, Ala. Yes. 5, 6. Yes. 2. How many choices does 2 have? It has 1 choice, right? It's beside 4. 3 has many choices. Okay. 5, it cannot be placed in the first line, which is between 1 and 6 we write 5. 6, it cannot be placed in the first line. Okay, so it's after 4 we write 6. Okay, now 7 has many choices. 8, above 4 we write 8. 9, beside 8 we write 9. Okay, so 7 is after 8 and 3 is under 2. Now please, let's look at the first column. What is it missing? 7. Okay, now let's look at the second column. What is it missing? It's missing 9. Now we look rows and columns. Okay, now let's look at the fourth column. The fourth column, what is it missing? It's missing 7. So under 6 we write 7. Let's look at the fifth column. 1 and 4. Here we have 1, here we have 4. Yes. The next column, what is it missing? 3 and 8. Okay. So below 6 we have 8 and above 6 we have 3. The next row,
3, 1 and 2.
Okay, let's now look here. Look here. At this row. What is this row missing?
3.
3. So this row is missing 3. Now this row, what is it missing?
3 and 1.
1 and 3. So here we have 3, here we have 1. Now this row, what is missing?
9.
It's missing 9. This is missing 7. Okay? Now in this box, what is this box missing?
9 and 1.
1 and 9. So here we have 9, here we have 1. Now, between 3 and 8 we write 1. After 8 we write 4.
Under 5 we write 3.
We write 3 and here we write 2. So we have finished the Sudoku 9 by 9, okay? Question number 2. We are solving a mind bender. Cars and colors. The colors of Arnett, Bradley, Church, and Dawson are gray, red, silver, and yellow. We should read the clues to find each person's name and car color. Clue 1, Dana. Bradley and Church had lunch yesterday with the owner of the silver car.
So Bradley isn't the silver and
Bradley isn't the owner of the silver car.
Church is not the silver.
Church is not the owner of the silver car. 2, Ala. Dawson saw the owners of the red car and the gray car passing his house yesterday. Dawson is not the owner of the red car, nor he is the owner of the gray car. Now clue number 3, Badia. The owner of the yellow car thinks he got a better deal on his car than Arnett and Dawson got on theirs.
Arnett and Dawson are not the owners of the owner.
So Arnett is not the owner of the yellow car, nor Dawson is the owner of the yellow car. Now, yes, Dawson is the owner of the silver car. So Arnott is not the owner of the silver car. Clue number 4, Hassan. Bradley's car is not a bright color. So Bradley's car is not red nor yellow. So Bradley's car is gray. Then what do we conclude, Selena?
Arnett is not gray.
Arnett is not gray.
Church is not gray.
Church is not gray. Arnett is red.
And Church is yellow.
Church is yellow. Church is not red. Okay? Now question number 3 is a balance bender. We have 4 balances. In which balance, Ali, can we start? What do we do in the second? We cancel a star with a star. What do you get? 2 rhombuses is equal to a star. Then, from the first balance, we place the 2 rhombuses with a star. Okay. Now on the last balance, what do we do? The circle will replace it with a 3 squares and the stars will be replaced with a. So which choice? Choice A is the correct choice. Now question number 4. We should observe well to know how many triangles are there. First, which triangle do we count? The big triangle. How many big triangles do we have? 1. Inside this big triangle, how many small? We have how many small triangles? 16 triangles, small triangles. Then we count these triangles. Who can count these? How many of these do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. Now, how many of these triangles do we have? 1, 2, and 3. Do we have more triangles? These are the triangles. So in all, 16 plus 1 plus 10. So they are 27 triangles. Now question number 5 is also a balance bender. Also we have 4 balance benders. In which balance bender, Muhammad, do you start? First, second, third, or fourth? What do you have in the first? Yes, Hassan. We start in the second. What do you do in the second? Each star is equal to what? To 2 boxes. Yes. In the third, we remove the star and we place it with 2 boxes. So each 3 boxes is equal to a rhombus. In the first, each star is equal to, so we replace a star with 2 squares and we replace a rhombus with what? With 3 squares. Now each 5 squares is equal to 2 rectangles. What do we do? Yes, if we divide this span by 2 and this span by 2, each rectangle is equal to 2 squares and a half. So which one? Choice D is the correct.